Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I hope you guys are all doing good. So today I will be making easy quick cream caramel and para siyang leche flan. So welcome to Alea's Art, Food and Travel, and if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe and leave the comment down below. I will appreciate it. So bago ang lahat, ito na po yung list of the ingredients that we're going to need on the screen. I-turn na lang natin yung, i-preheat natin yung oven to 350 degrees. At saka mag-heat tayo ng water on the pot kasi kailangan natin to cook that on our cream caramel. So the first things we're gonna do, we're gonna pour our granulated sugar on a saucepan into a medium high heat, and we're just gonna add some water on it so it'll just melt the sugar quickly. And when the sugar starts to caramelize and it turns to dark brown, we are going to pour it onto the ramekins right away. Caramel tends to dry quickly, so habang mainit pa siya, i-spread na natin on the bottom of the ramekins, just like that. Kasi tumitigas siya ng right away. Ayan, isi-set aside na natin. And mixture in a large bowl, we're gonna put our 2 whole eggs, and we're adding 2 of the egg yolk. And then ilalagay na natin yung half cup of condensed milk. Like I said, you guys could use sugar for this, but I preferred condensed milk. And we're going to put our whole can of evaporated milk, a teaspoon of lemon extract and vanilla extract, and we're putting some pinch of salt, and we're just whisking the mixture. So before we're gonna put it onto our ramekins, we are going to strain our mixture and then pour it gently so it won't create more bubbles. Ayan. So, yung ramekins natin, ilalagay natin into the large baking dish, and we're putting our hot water halfway, and we are going to cover it with foil, and then we are going to bake it for 40 minutes. So, antayin lang natin na maluto yung creme caramel natin. So, ayan, luto na. We are gonna run the blade of a knife around the ramekins and invert it onto the plate. I refrigerate this for over an hour. Ayan, so luto na siya, and I hope you guys like this recipe, and thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video, and God bless everyone. Bye bye.